Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing a mobile Python environment. Pick Pidroid or Termux on Android, or Pythonista/Carnets on iOS. Once done, grant storage access and run the app's updater so core packages are current. Make sure to install pip or the app's package helper. This enables third-party modules. Then, create a project folder and a new Py file in the built-in editor so you have a working file to run immediately. Next, install the libraries your script needs. Use pip in Termux or the app helper in Pidroid so requests, NumPy, or pandas are available. Make sure to use virtualenv or the app's isolated environment where possible to avoid conflicts. Then write your code and iteratively test in the REPL. This speeds debugging. Also handle file paths carefully and confirm the app has permission to read/write those paths before you try to open files or network resources. Finally, execute your script from the editor or terminal. In Termux, use Python 3 script. Py in Pidroid tap run. Once it runs, export outputs or logs to cloud storage or share via intents so results are safe. To automate, use Termux, cron, a scheduler, or tasker to trigger scripts. If something fails, check file permissions and the shebang, confirm the Python version matches your packages, and reinstall mismatched pip package.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.